I'm a treasurer on a committee of 3 for a complex of 31, where one owner owns 19 of the 31 lots. Of his 19, 18 are undeveloped. However, he still has the liability of the 19 lots as far as fees are concerned. My question is, how do the owners like myself, who only have one lot, get a say in matters where he has the majority of properties? He seems to think whatever he says goes.
Yeah, so there is a section of the legislation. It depends on how this developer has structured their transactions. So I'm just trying to dig out the section of legislation. So if they own more than a certain percentage, they don't get a full vote. I'm just trying to dig it out for you now. So they've reduced their vote. This may be something I can assist with by email, just digging out this section of legislation, Nikki. But developer, if it's regarding building defects, developer can't vote on course of action to be taken in respect to building defects. Yeah, and I've just seen a comment from Frank Bowen, which is a good comment. If you've got a committee of 3 and the developer's only one of those, the other 2 people who are owners can outvote the developer. But there is a sense that you do need to somewhat get on with him and try and have him on board politically, because it may be easier to deal with him, you know, on most things in a friendly way rather than going at guns at 10 paces because he is a majority owner in there. So I would have to see what the issues are, but there is a reduction in the vote for people, for developers who still own more than, I think it's more than half, but I just need to fish it out.
Thank you very much.
I just dug out that section of legislation while I was talking, so I've multitasked. So
fabulous.
Original owner who owns more than half the lots to be reduced is to be, for the purpose of determining an election for officers, the owners corporation, or members of the strata committee, appointing a strata manager. The total units of entitlement of the original owner is not less than half the aggregate units of entitlement. The value of the vote in respect to the lots held by the original owner is taken to be reduced by 2/3, ignoring any fractions. So they can't just lob in all their cronies as strata committee members. So I think the strategy that the gentleman put through in the chat of just having 2 of the owners and on the committee and only having the developer as one of the members is important. And the secretary holds all the power in strata committees in New South Wales legislation. They can call meetings. So I would put yourself on as secretary as well.